Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Study of Philosophy. In this video, I will be discussing about two important questions from the chapter Hypothesis of H.S.2ND. In this video, I will discuss about crucial instance and Vera Cause. So what is crucial instance or instantia crucis? The term crucial instance, according to Bacon, is borrowed from the crosses which are put up in crossways to point out the different ways. For example, when we come to the crossings of two roads and we are unable to decide which way we should go to reach our destination, in that case, the finger post indicates us the actual way that we should take. Similarly, when we obtain a crucial instance, it decides conclusively which of the rival hypotheses is proved. A crucial instance, it is an instance which can only be explained by one of the contending hypotheses and not by the other. A crucial instance, it may be obtained by simple observation or by experiment. According to Jevons, a crucial instance not only confirms one hypothesis but it negatives the other hypothesis. So, if a hypothesis is obtained, I have said earlier that a crucial instance may be obtained by simple observation or by experiment. If a hypothesis is obtained by experiment, it is called experimentum crucis or crucial experiment. For example, suppose there is a glass jar containing some gas and we are to determine whether it is hydrogen or oxygen. As gases are colorless, tasteless and without any smell, and these are the common properties of hydrogen and oxygen. In that case, we are unable to decide or we are unable to identify whether the gas is hydrogen or oxygen. So we may make an experiment. We introduce a glowing stick into the jar and find that gas begins to burn. This shows that the inflammability is a property of the gas in the jar. As this property, that is inflammability, is to be found only in hydrogen and not in oxygen. So, from that experiment, we can decide conclusively that the gas in the jar is hydrogen and not oxygen. The inflammability is the crucial instance which establishes the hydrogen gas and rejects the oxygen gas. In my previous slide, I have explained about a crucial instance that is obtained by experiment. Now I will explain a crucial instance that is obtained by simple observation or observation. For example, suppose there is a theft in the house and we are to decide whether the thief was in league with any member of the house or not. In the course of investigation, we discover a plan of the building lying on the floor by following which the burglar can easily enter into the room. So this fact, it is a crucial instance which conclusively proves that the information contained in the plan could have been supplied only by an inmate and not by outsiders. So, what we find? We find that a crucial instance may be obtained by simple observation or it may be obtained by experiment. When we obtain a crucial instance, we have to remember that it decides conclusively which of the rival hypothesis is proved. Now I will explain what is Vera cause. One of the valid conditions of hypothesis is that the hypothesis must be based on facts and must have for its object a real cause or Vera cause. A hypothesis is framed to explain the fact which appears as a problem before us. In order to frame any hypothesis, we are to observe the fact without any bias. Again, when we proceed to test or verify the hypothesis, that also we must observe the fact with an impartial mind. Hence, a hypothesis depends on facts at the starting point and also at the end for its verification. If we frame a hypothesis regarding an agent or a cause, then that agent or cause should be a Vera cause. So, what is Vera cause? The term Vera cause literally means a real cause or true cause. Vera causa or real cause may be directly perceptible by the senses or it may not be perceptible by our senses. There are some elements like atoms, ether, etc., which do not perceptible by our senses can be regarded as Vera cause. Though these elements cannot be directly perceived, they are indirectly known through their perceptible effects. Therefore, they can be regarded as Vera cause. The term Vera cause should not be taken to mean merely a cause which is actually known to exist or something which is directly perceptible by the senses. The real significance of this condition is that in framing a hypothesis, we should exclude purely fanciful guesswork about the causes such as angels, ghosts, etc., which are outside the scope of human experience directly or indirectly. For example, a child when missing must not be supposed to have been carried away by an angel, because in this case here the angel is non-existent and it is not a true cause. It is a purely fanciful guesswork. According to Welton, Vera causa means a cause which alone avoids contradiction in our thought, that is, which alone enables us to think the phenomena as a part of systematic reality. So that's all for today, students. If you have any queries about the topic discussed, do leave a comment in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.